Skederm Vitamin C X30 Aqua Serum. Hyaluronic acid with. I have ordered and used Skiderm before, but not this specific product. I didn't hesitate to try this one as I believe most serums are helpful in hydrating and, to some extent, repairing the skin. This one did not disappoint. I am an esthetician, and I make a lot of money recommending high-end products to my clients. I work with my clients' budget, and, if they are trying to save money on product, I am always looking for one that I can recommend and feel good about. This is one of those products. This serum has a couple of pluses like vitamin C and argyroline within a liquid hyaluronic acid base. This will work well after cleansing the face at night and letting it absorb quickly and easily into the skin. The smell is fresh and pleasant. Use it again in the morning or use a different serum or moisturizer and you will added variety. I am a big fan of pump dispensers since you cannot contaminate the contents. This one is a fine dispenser and a little goes a long way. Yes, you can add a pump of this to your moisturizer, but I recommend using a pump or two directly on a clean, toned face. Wait a minute and then apply your moisturizer. Don't forget your SPF. This product was provided to me at a discount in exchange for my honest review of it. This is one product that come highly recommended. Skiderm Vitamin C X30 Power Serum. Hyaluronic acid with. I am not a stranger to vitamin C skincare products, but this power serum by Skiderm is very different from all the vitamin C serums that I have tried before. I always have ongoing problems of uneven skin tone and under eye dark circles. This special blend of serum is formulated to target signs of aging including dark spots, skin dehydration and dull skin tones. Unfortunately, it is exactly what I need at this point of my life. It may not be fast and effective against deep wrinkles though, but nothing really is other than cosmetic surgeries. The serum is quickly absorbed into the skin and does not feel greasy or gel-like silicone texture that a lot of serums have. It does have a pleasant light scent which quickly dissipates after applied, and the consistency of the serum is somewhat creamy. It spreads very easily and one pump is enough to cover my face, so the bottle should last quite a while. When I apply the serum after cleansing and toning, I immediately feel as if my skin has been infused with moisture. It soaks right in and makes my skin feel more hydrated. It feels smooth and luxurious when I spread it over my face and neck. I have not experienced any irritation or negative reaction to the serum. Nevertheless, it is gentle enough to apply even under my eyes without any burning or itching sensation, which has happened with a lot of beauty products I tried over the years. I really adore the elegant packaging. It comes in a beautiful airtight pump-style bottle which protects the ingredients and keeps them fresh. It's sanitary and dispenses just the right amount for each application. I instantly love the way it makes my face feel soft and supple on first use, and the results over the past week alone have continued to smooth my skin significantly. My face looks and feels more smooth, firm, and has this radiant glow that makes me look so much energetic. It has also helped balance my overall complexion. Even though I have exclusively been using the serum for about a week, I do not expect it to work miracles, but if it can hold moisture to the surface of my skin to give it the appearance of being smoother, then it is doing exactly what I need it to do. I do notice after using it that my skin feels tighter. I have not noticed any change in my fine lines yet, but the texture of my skin is starting to look better already. I am pleased with what I have seen so far, and I am fully aware that I should give it at least a month to see results, just like with any skincare product on the market. I will continue using the serum to document what my results are over time. Disclosure: I purchased this serum at a discount for my honest opinion. Soon Pure Concentrated Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum 10 ml. I am suffering from an eye eczema as a result of prolonged sun exposure. My eyes are itchy and have dark reddish circles underneath, which prompt questions from those who have not seen me for a while. What happened to my eyes? There have been some assumptions that I have been beaten and do not want to admit that. Needless to say, I am quite eager to lose the look that I am sporting right now, and am obsessed with eye serums and eye creams that can help me with that. So, among others, I tried Soon Pure Concentrated Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum. It arrived promptly and was properly sealed. The box features abundant hieroglyphs writings which I hoped were in Korean, as I highly respect Korean beauty products, but most likely they are in Chinese. I tried to find that out by visiting the website that is listed on the box, however, I found it to be non-existent. Some lines are poorly translated to English: supplementary eye water and nutrients, improve the black eye to improve the eye fine lines, improve eye weak. There is no translation of the ingredient list, however, PEG 40 is in English, and it is my understanding that it is not a desired ingredient for the skincare products. There are some Latin names: Avena sativa, Tremella fossiformis, and Butyrispermum parkii, the latter I believe is shea butter. The serum comes in a clear 10 ml bottle. An eyedropper was enclosed in the package and needs to be inserted in the bottle. The liquid itself is clear and colorless. It is very runny, but slightly more viscous than water. I was happy that it did not irritate the skin under my eyes, which is extremely sensitive right now. I feel that a separate moisturizer is needed to be applied on top to keep the eye area from drying. The serum did not leave a sticky or greasy residue, which is a plus. I just started using it a few days ago, so I cannot report any reduction in eye circles. I will update later, if with continued use I see a noticeable difference. I do not currently have any puffiness under my eyes. The serum did not clog the pores or caused any breakouts. With addition of moisturizer, it will probably help with the reduction of fine lines, or at least prevent the formation of the new ones. I received this serum at a discounted price in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. Age-defying hyaluronic acid serum with vitamin C and a timeless oasis for your face and skin. Hyaluronic acid combines with the powers of vitamin C in the serum, moisturizing skin and defying age. This supercharged serum helps firm and hydrate dry and dull skin, and its antioxidant properties can reduce the appearance skin damage caused by the sun, pollution, and cigarette smoke. Vitamin C hyaluronic acid for face and for eyes is a perfect travel size pre-moisturizer solution for your skincare regimen. Hyaluronic acid is a lubricating, clear substance that's produced by the body naturally. In the human body, hyaluronic acid is found in the greatest concentrations in the skin, inside joints, within the eye sockets, and in other tissues where it helps retain collagen, increase moisture, and provide elasticity and flexibility. The biggest advantage that hyaluronic acid has to offer is that it has a very high capacity for retaining water, whether on the skin, in the eyes, or within soft tissue. IT can help naturally reduce signs of aging by decreasing epidermis water loss associated with sun exposure, skin dryness, or flakiness. Known benefits include hydrating dry, aged skin for a youthful appearance, reducing the appearance of wrinkles around the eyes and face, soothing sores, sunburns, and wounds, lubricating achy joints, reducing dry eyes and eye discomfort. Directions: apply small amount with fingertips to freshly cleansed and toned face, neck, and décolleté areas. Allow time to absorb prior to applying a moisturizer. For optimal results, apply after Pure Body Naturals Vitamin C Serum. Deco Vitamin C Anti-Aging Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. I really like this vitamin C serum by Deco Naturals. I like that it is a gel-like formula. The others are too watery to work with and run all over the place before you can get it where you want it. I also like that it is 25% vitamin C versus the others that are only 20% vitamin C in such an important element in my daily beauty regimen. I used to worship the sun and many years of sunbathing did a lot of damage to my skin. That's why vitamin C is so important to me. I use it every single day, twice a day on my face and any other dark spots I can find on my body. Overall, I am very satisfied with this vitamin C serum and would recommend it to anyone. I disclose that I have received this item as a free gift or at a reduced discounted cost in exchange for my honest review. When I accept invitations to receive products to review, I promise that I will post my unbiased opinion with the intent of helping Amazon customers make the right buying decision for them and also to increase awareness of the item that will help reduce returns. I also promise to update my reviews if at any time in the future I have a problem with the item malfunctioning or causing harm.